Have you ever wondered where ethical hackers learn their skills, test their knowledge, and stay ahead of the latest cyber threats? In this video, I'll show you 10 powerful websites that cybersecurity professionals, bug bounty hunters, and ethical hackers use to improve their skills. These platforms are completely legal to access and are designed for education, research, or authorized security testing. Let's get started. 10. HackerOne. First up is HackerOne. This is one of the world's largest bug bounty platforms. Organizations invite security researchers to find vulnerabilities in their systems responsibly. If you're skilled enough, you can even earn rewards by reporting valid security issues through authorized programs. Even if you're a beginner, reading public reports is a great way to understand real-world vulnerabilities. 9. TryHackMe. Next is TryHackMe. If you're new to ethical hacking, this platform is one of the best places to begin. It offers guided learning paths covering Linux, networking, web security, Active Directory, and penetration testing. Everything runs inside safe virtual labs, so you can practice legally without attacking real systems. 8. Hack the Box. Number 8 is Hack the Box. This platform is designed for learners who want more realistic cybersecurity challenges. You'll solve capture the flag style machines, practice enumeration, privilege escalation, and improve your penetration testing methodology. Many cybersecurity professionals use it to sharpen their skills. 7. OWASP. Coming in at number 7 is OWASP. OWASP is one of the most respected cybersecurity communities in the world. Their free resources explain common web application vulnerabilities such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, broken authentication, and much more. If you're interested in web security, OWASP is essential reading. 6. Shodan. At number 6 is Shodan. Often called the search engine for internet-connected devices, Shodan helps researchers discover publicly exposed servers, webcams, routers, IoT devices, and industrial systems. Security professionals use it to identify exposed assets that should be secured, not to access them without permission. 5. Censys. Number 5 is Censys. Censys scans the public internet and provides detailed information about exposed services and digital certificates. It's useful for asset discovery, attack surface management, and cybersecurity research. Many blue teams and defenders rely on it to understand their organization's internet exposure. 4. Exploit Database. Next is Exploit Database. This website contains publicly disclosed security research and proof-of-concept exploits for educational purposes. Researchers use it to understand how vulnerabilities work so they can test and patch authorized systems. Always remember, these resources are intended for defensive security and authorized environments. 3. VirusTotal. At number 3 is VirusTotal. Need to check whether a file or URL is suspicious? VirusTotal scans files and links using dozens of antivirus engines simultaneously. It's an excellent tool for malware analysis, threat intelligence, and investigating suspicious downloads safely. 2. MITRE. ATT&CK. Number 2 is the MITRE ATT&CK framework. This isn't a hacking website, it's an extensive knowledge base documenting how real-world attackers operate. Security analysts, penetration testers, and defenders use ATT&CK to understand adversary tactics, techniques, and procedures. Learning this framework can dramatically improve your cybersecurity knowledge. 1. PortSwigger Web Security Academy. And finally, our number 1 pick is PortSwigger Web Security Academy. This free platform provides hands-on labs covering SQL injection, XSS, authentication flaws, CSRF, SSRF, access control vulnerabilities, and many other web security topics. The labs simulate realistic scenarios, making them perfect for beginners and experienced learners alike. If you're serious about ethical hacking, this website deserves a permanent bookmark. Conclusion: those were 10 powerful websites that can help you grow your cybersecurity knowledge in 2026. Remember, the goal of learning ethical hacking is to protect systems, improve security, and understand how attacks work so they can be prevented. Always practice only in authorized environments and follow applicable laws and responsible disclosure practices. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more ethical hacking, cybersecurity, and OSINT content every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.